In this video, I'm going to show you my whole outlook forecast and analysis on KR ticker symbol, or in other words, Kruger Company, the Kruger Company. So Kruger is overall sitting at 48 bucks and 63 cents. I'm going to show you like everything that you need to know about technicals. I'm also going to show you like to the dot exactly somewhere in this video. Going to show you exactly when I'm going to expect the price to go using this tool. And let's begin with the video. Now, if you're like me, you could be like, you just go look at the chart, look at this blank chart, and be like, how the heck do I know where the price is gonna go? Looking at this thing, right? How the heck do I know? And again, nobody knows, right? If anyone tells you that they know exactly where the price is gonna go, they're just lying to you. That's just straight up BS. Nobody knows. Just don't listen to them. Again, we all are YouTubers, right? In other sense, like me, I'm also a YouTuber that's just talking. You might say nonsense, but I'm using a very simple approach. We only has two confluences. Again, there's more sauce into it, but like here are some of my credentials, right? Day in and day out is basically the same thing. It has been going on like for a big time right now. But first things first, I use performance. 14% down from April last year this time. Like you have in the performance tab from the last week to the last year, how we have performed. We see a lot of green, but the most important one is actually the red. It's not like coincidence. It's actually it is because the most important is the last year. Again, this is the first confluence, which is again is I'm not gonna put it that much importance onto it because the structure slash trends is actually everything. And in this situation, Kruger is in a beautiful bullish trends ever since 1968. That's approximately what? That's 30, like 58 years and whatnot if I actually did the math correct fast. But what is my outlook on it? So if I just do this, you do see that in the previous video I made some demand areas like tapped. We kind of mitigated this. And now my whole outlook like for you is gonna be to actually continue and deliver above this high on the lower time frame. And this is a little bonus for you. It's looking something like this, right? I'm expecting at least the highs to get cleared, but this is a bonus for you. Uh, just extra gem. I'm expecting the price on the higher time frame. I'm genuinely looking for upside moves either like this. But if the price ever comes into this demand area a little bit lower, I'm also going to expect some um, upside moves from right here. So it's going to be like probably something like this, right? But again, this is extra gem. It's not like if the price ever does that. This is just my whole outlook. But again, this is my opinion, not financial advice. None of it, just my perspective. If you find any value, if you want to learn how I do this thing, very simple. If you're like a lazy person like me, this is a very simple approach. And it's actually for idiots as myself. But again, you can learn it for actually free. Again, that's not the full version. I have my own mentorship and whatnot, which I'm actually trying to start. I think this is going to be very big in the stock market. But yeah, you can just check out for free, use the resources. You can easily learn a bunch of valuable stuff on how to do this. Enough talking. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.